Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change birthday on Snapchat after a limit. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Snapchat, and you're gonna make sure that your Snapchat app, updated to the latest version. If it was, just go ahead, if it was, just leave it out, and if it wasn't, just update the app. All right. I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And if you want to change your birthday after a limit, unfortunately for now you won't be able to actually change your birthday after a limit because you already changed it once, and Snapchat security policy won't allow you to actually change it to whatever birthday or date that you want, because strictly the Snapchat policies are very strict, and probably they will be or they will be suspicious that you are not running the account or you are a fake account, right? So basically, if you want to change your birthday before the limit, you can just go out to the settings, and under your username, you won't miss it, you're gonna see the birthday, and then you can change it to your actual birthday. But please be aware that after you change it, and you want to change it again, you won't be able to do it. Let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.